Today's featured truck of the day is a rare one, a 1968 Mercury, yes, Mercury, M250 crew cab pickup truck. And that was the last year, 1968, for the Mercury pickup trucks. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night. Actually, they were having the nitro night that night with all the nitro burning cackle cars, copies of the old dragsters, and a couple of original ones were there that night. And this truck was one of the push trucks for one of the cars as they pushed them down the street, and they cackled and burned your eyeballs out with the nitro and blew your eardrums out. Just all the good things that used to happen back in the 60s, the good old days. But this is definitely a rare one and in beautiful condition. It's hard to find one in any condition, but this one was a ground-up restoration, and he did a fantastic job on it, and it was definitely a good looker. As far as the Mercury pickup trucks go, they made them from 1948 to 1968, called them the M series. They basically the Ford F series trucks, built as Mercuries, and from 61 to 66, they had a gear lightning bolt symbol on their horn button and no other Mercury interior nameplates. And then in 67 and 68, the last 2 years for them, they used Ford interior trim only, such as dash cluster, horn button, and bezel and radial block-off plate. But I don't have the production numbers for them. I couldn't find any on the internet. But those, some of you might be able to chime in on that and let us know how many were made and everything. But this one was definitely a beauty. But anyways, that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1968 Mercury M250 crew cab pickup truck. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.